Hi guys, today I'm just having L&L barbecue. I was craving it and I was in the plant, which is like a shopping area, and they had L&L, so I decided to go there. This is considered the mini plate. So the mini plate consists of a scoop of rice, the macaroni salad, and 2 cuts of meat, and I got the chicken cutlet. I also got gravy. I didn't realize how big this gravy container was, so I asked for 2. They gave me a lot. And for the sides, I could have gotten something else besides the macaroni salad. And I noticed that there was kimchi as a side, so I decided to get some kimchi from the house and eat it with this. I've never done it like that before. And they had this strawberry lily koi. I think I drank this in another mukbang video, so I got this, and I'm thirsty, so I'm gonna drink this right now. It's a strawberry juice blended with passion fruit juice from concentrate. Okay, I'm so hungry. This morning I woke up around 7 something because Ralph woke up really early, and you know how it is when you're hungry. The earlier you wake up, you get hungry sooner. So right now it's 12:37 and I'm finally getting to eat this. I was just so hungry that I was debating if I wanted to eat it at the restaurant because they had TV and Friends was on, and it was like kind of busy, so I kind of like the atmosphere, but I decided not to. Here's the chicken cutlet. I'm gonna dip it with gravy. So good. I did ask for soy sauce too. So I was at the plant because I wanted to go to Home Depot. I'm trying to build like a miniature dollhouse kitchen and living room, and I was going to buy, so I was pretty much there for flooring, and I was planning on getting like a rug at like Joann's, like fabric. I was gonna buy some fabric and just cut into a little piece and make it my own. But while I was at sorry for chewing and talking, I was there, they have free fabric samples. So I got 2 of these blue ones, and it's perfect, the perfect size. And I got 2 of this. Like, they have a lot of free stuff, like free samples and stuff. Like, these were free, so I got some of these. But I did buy some, like the bigger tiles for the flooring. But I didn't realize all that good stuff at Home Depot. Here's a macaroni salad. Oh, it's like, I don't think it's focusing. Camera's not focusing. So good. Dipping it with gravy. This has 5% fruit juice and 42 grams of sugar. I can't believe that this was the mini size, and the regular would have been like huge. $7.81 for the plate, and I remember the juice was $1.80. I had a knife somewhere. It's right here. Some cut chicken. My sister, I was telling her how I was going to L&L, and she says the garlic shrimp there is really good, but I've never had it. Oh, and so today's Friday. So today's Friday, and I think it's Krispy Kreme's 80th anniversary, so a dozen glazed donuts were only 80 cents. And oh, I dropped that. And there was a line for Krispy Kreme's donuts. People were waiting outside for the donuts. It was like a long line, but 80 cents for a dozen is pretty cheap. I love the gravy. The gravy's not too salty. Oh my gosh. I am just drinking this. It's so good. I'm almost halfway done. And this is good. Mama just entered the room. So, I've never been to Hawaii, but I can only imagine how amazing the food could be. Like, I've seen pictures on Instagram about the ube pancakes, and that looks so delicious. I would love, like, the shaved ice and all that desserts over there, and the guava juice. It would be so good. Yeah, Mama went in the room and she left the room. And this is just a lot of food. Every bite that has a sauce, I taste soy sauce. I think I'm gonna save the rest for later. I can't eat all this. It's just too much food. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.